Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll solve the second question in Blind 75 of LeetCode, which is best time to buy and sell stock. This question gives us a list of prices where the index I is the price of the stock on that day. And we have to maximize the profit by choosing one day where we buy the stock and another day where we sell it. For example, in this one, the best day to buy stock is the second day where the price of the stock is $1, and the best day to sell it is the fifth day where the price is $6. And by doing this, we make a profit of $5, which is 6 minus 1. In this example, the second one, the price of the stock keeps decreasing, so the best way to make profit is by not buying stock at all. That's why our profit is $0. So how can we solve this question? Let's divide the question into parts, where the first part is choosing a day where we can buy the stock. So the best day to buy the stock is simply the day where the price of the stock is minimum. Well, to do that, let's create a variable and a function that will help us choose the minimum value in the list. Let's create a variable buy, and initially we say buy is equal to the first value in the list. Then we create a for loop, and for p in prices, buy is equal to minimum between buy and p. So what this will do is it will iterate through the array, where the first time the value of buy, our variable, is equal to 7, then it comes to 1, and it checks, is 1 less than 7? The answer is yes, so now the value of the variable buy is 1. Then it comes here, it compares buy, which is now 1, with this value of the array. 5 is not smaller than 1, so the value of buy is still 1. It does the same with all the values, so at the end we get the minimum value, which is 1. To check that, we can just come here and print buy. Let's run the code and see what it prints. So as we can see, what we predicted happened. The first value of buy is 7, because it starts iterating from here, but then after 1, the value doesn't change because 1 is the smallest number. So if we come here and let's say we change 3 to 0 and run it, then there will be a point where 1 will be switched to 0, and it will stay 0 till the end because now that's the smallest value. So now we figured out how to find the day to buy. Now we have to figure out when do we sell it. So our quest is to maximize the profit. So that's what we will do. Let's create another variable, and let's say profit is equal to 0. And here we just say profit is equal to the maximum value between p minus buy and profit. So p minus buy will be our new profit. Buy is the minimum value so far, basically the day we bought the stock at, and p is the current day. So here we are checking, if we sell the stock right now, will it be more than the profit so far? If yes, then sell it now. And at the end we say return profit. Let's run it and see if it works. Yes, the answer is 6. Now we can submit it. And the code works.